tongue move like lizards. You understand me? I say, see dog tongue, yeah? Dog taste or Me I say, whoa! The man move like a grandparent to a taste tea. You ever hear a grandparent a taste tea and see if it's sweet, you know? Pop. Yeah, well, I don't know, Shower Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you sound like, comment, share, subscribe, by notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yes, Jamaica, another day where I'm reporting news that I don't usually report. You understand what I'm saying? Really and truly, I don't care. You understand what I'm saying? But hey, just for the purpose of my audience, a lot of you guys probably want to hear my take on these news that's circulating. So I'm just going to do that report on these news that's circulating. Yes, so we see where Popcaan brother JELLYBADS out and stunting. You understand what I say? Dog tongue move like lizards. You understand what I say? Dog tongue move like snakes. Yeah, man, the dog told us a wiggle like worm. You understand that? Dog look professional. You understand what I say? Dog I do the thing wicked. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't know how I go on. You know, I would just say, first, I never even know if Popcaan have a brother. Be honest with you, I never even know if Papi have a brother. But it just so happen, we see the dog like the dog hungry. You see me? And the dog set up him camera pan in tripod, put the camera over there, so you understand what I say? Make sure mama sit down right here, so and the dog sitting right in front of mama, and the dog just stay, so just eat and a nibble and a pit. The dog just move like a star, you understand? I blues, me see them thing the pan. I see dog stay, so him take a one nibble, then me go see mama spit pan it. I see him take another nibble, I see him go see mama spit pan it. And you know, like when old people are taste things, then go see mama take a little taste or something like them, go so like old people go so. And taste it, you want to see dog, yeah? Like I live next string a pop out, that's the other dog come like a pro. Oh no! Yo! No man, this serious. Papi! So we see right here, JELLYBADS, we see video a circulate, we see picture. A picture that I don't know, swipe off of that picture they real quick like the dog, you see me? Like the dog gotta play with all them body. I don't know how I go on, you see me? I don't know how I go on. We see this right as so. A screenshot from off of the Twitter where the caption say, "This play is my favorite play." I still love batty play, brother. You never play football. You never play basketball. You never play cricket. You understand what I say? You never play bend down stocky. You never play dandish and with the girl them G, but you want to go batty play. And what are you dealing? My God. My God. So we go to see right here. So it say, "Me did bushy. And I wanted you to goggle my balls and eat my ass." Bombo clot! That mama dog say one I nibble upon them body meat. Mama the dog will take a bite out of life. You understand what I say? The man say, "Yo, mama, I wanted you to play with my eat my and goggle my balls." Goggle balls thing still, yeah. You understand what I say, Boomer? You just have to deal with the thing wicked. You understand? You understand us? Show everything near throat and bust all at one. You see me make all at one tear run out here. Yeah. You don't know the shreps, you get a Gucci bag, you know nothing to. You know what I mean? Yeah. But when the dog say, Mama, for eat him, it's like the dog is a seasoned veteran. You understand what I say? Like the dog say, Mama, you have to eat the booty like grocery. You understand what I say? It's crazy. And when I say it's crazy, it's not say me not believe it because things and times change. But remember one time in Jamaica, nobody wouldn't even imagine a man want a woman play with all them body. You understand what I say? A man wouldn't even do certain things. Or you understand what I say? But now we say we are, as Jamaica, I get more Americanized. People are getting more bold now. People are getting more, confident with them, what them I do. Because these things are against Jamaican culture. It's taboo. Certain things still taboo, or so we think. You understand what I say? Could these things be happening a long time in Jamaica, but people just never talk about it, or what? What do you think? Because me personally, me believe that them things are not new. The only thing we new is that we have WhatsApp now where you can screenshot people and send voice messages, and we can video them and do certain acts on them knees, tongue move like lizards. You understand what I say? See dog tongue? Dog taste or Me I say, whoa, the man like wanna move like a grandparent to a TST. You ever hear a grandparent at TST, it's sweet, you know? Yo, Ira, this is all for theatrics. This is all for fun. You understand what I say? Really and truly, I don't care. I really don't care. I'm telling you why I make or even a report on them thing. Yeah. People them want your Negus officer, the people them want to see the theatrics. You understand what I say? Really and truly, I do not care what a man want to do in a bedroom. What a man do in a bedroom don't have nothing to do with me. I just want to know that it have nothing to do with Uno too. You understand what I say? This is all for fun and jokes. I don't care if him have 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, or 10 girl in a room they eat. If him did a wobble, I don't care if a 1 man or 2 man or 3 man or 4 man him have in that video. The only thing about that video there, I say I probably wouldn't watch a video there. You understand what I say? I would just ask or go on in the video, but I don't think I would watch a video there. You understand what I say? Yeah, cause even if I let me watch blues and a certain angle, when them have a certain angle, when them show all the man certain angle, just turn it off. I don't want to see that. If I watch blues, I must be a lesbian. You understand what I say? That only makes sense. I don't want to see, I understand, a man batty one time. No, you understand what I say? But anyway, back to my boy there. The dog seem like a veteran, but I just tell him, say, yo, what him doing in bedroom that have nothing to do with none of we. It does there in public, so you know, say all of the bloggers, them are running in it, and all of the people, them are running in it and see, yo, what go on, where, a Popcaan, brother. I don't even want to call Popcaan name because I'm not... We're not trying to associate this news with Popcaan, but just for the case of the story, people, he's widely known as being Popcaan, brother. I don't know him as an artist, and the first me I hear about him, so I'm going to report him as Popcaan, brother. But Popcaan have nothing to do with that story. You understand what I say? But it's just so unfortunate. I don't know how it reached on the internet, but yo, if you're not going to do them things, keep them things in your yard. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Buy a phone specifically for that and lock it up now and see if you're not done. You understand what I say? Or maybe the dog will launch a OnlyFans. I don't know. The dog probably could have advertised himself. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I say. But if you as a person will like them type of thing, brother, record yourself and do your thing, in your mouth, girl, brother, I'll spin her upside down, put her up on the ceiling fan wire. You see me? I don't care what you want to do. But be safe, be careful. When you flame yourself, brother, lock up your thing. You see what I say? Lock up your thing, brother. Don't give nobody your phone, them type of settings there. The world too crazy right now, and even your own friend will all send out all or something. Just forget some hype. You never know. But me I tell you, say, yo, now I still the dog look professional, brother. Yo, me know say be a girl over there I get right now. Be a girl dog thing up. Everybody up. Give them a suck tape. Whoa. Man, stay so. Two. Me I say, whoa, dog, I drink it. Yeah, right. Me have man I drink it like jelly water. You understand what I say? Man, I slurp it up. Me I say, what you man? Man, I do the thing working. What a profesh. The dog is a profesh. You understand what I say? But yeah, man, yeah, right now, nobody can chat to him. Right now, him have the most girl in Jamaica. Right now, easy peasy. Right now, him have the most girl in Jamaica right now. But even though if a Jamaica, I'm still live hour. But the man them gonna say rule. But the girl them gonna say, yay! Oh my God! Yo, you don't know share what nation and Imara nation. Big up on yourself. If you don't know, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. I like how the thing I grow, understand. I like how the analytics up, you know, understand, watch time up, everything up, and it's all because of Uno. And me too, because me I supply great content, and the content just I get greater and greater and greater. I just upgrade the page slowly. So I give thanks for all of the support, I give thanks for all of the comments, all of the likes, all of the subscriptions, everything. Big up on yourself. Blessings and honor.